All right, gentlemen and ladies, thought I'd share this with you because you probably won't see one again for a very, very long time. This is a bronze cast nameplate. Why is that a big deal? Well, down here you notice that it's a water tube waste heat boiler built in 1959. Number tag. So this is not the data tag, but the actual manufacturer tag. There was an accompanying nameplate, ASME Boiler and Pressure Vessel Section I nameplate. But this is the cast bronze portion. The reason I have it is because an acquaintance of mine, his firm is the one that actually demoed this boiler and replaced it. And that's kind of important. 1959. The boiler was running up until just a few months ago. People who know boilers realize that most boilers are replaced much before that. This one was in a unique situation where it had been modified and repaired but never been replaced. I hadn't actually seen it, so I don't know if it was ever actually modernized or not. But the nameplate was in a pretty rough shape, and when it was removed so that it didn't go to the scrap yard with the rest of the salvage, he retained it. Knows that I'm a real big geek about nameplates, and as a result he had asked me to clean it up a little bit. So this is my version of cleaned up a little bit. I won't admit to how many hours this took me, but I can tell you with no shame that I spent a fair amount of time on it. And then when I got done, I decided, so that it stays in this state forever, that I would go ahead and put some clear coat on it. And I did. I had a bunch of welds on the edges where it had been welded and re-welded several times. So I ground those back and cleaned it up best I could. It had layers and layers and layers of paint on it. I actually dug out a lead respirator to make certain that I wasn't breathing 1959 era's lead paint. Who knows what it was. I cleaned it all up, put it in the HEPA trash. Anyway, like I said, it's not real common to see one of these, and as the years go by, of course, you're going to see them less and less. So I thought I'd take an opportunity to share it with you because, like I say, you probably won't see one again for a very, very long time. And it being a cast bronze nameplate, there's not too many of them left, and I don't think anyone's doing them anymore. So I thought I'd share that with you. Gentlemen, ladies, have a good day.